By fulfilling all your wishes, you could design for yourself what would be the most ecstatic life.
Yeah, guess I gotta get it from
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Eliza and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle related content. And today's video is going to be about lifestyle. So today I'm kind of starting this day off, or this vlog off, in a weird timing manner. It's already like 5:23. I did mean to vlog my morning, you know, my classes and everything, but for some reason it just didn't come to my head, and I was literally going to show you guys my outfit, but then it just didn't come to my head. So I was just like, great. But you know what, it's fine. It's, you know, we can still make this work. Today's outfit was a cozy outfit, so you didn't miss anything. I finished my homework already. I am kind of doing some editing because I want to basically have my vlogs look a certain way, you know, like having like the intro a certain aesthetic. And I'll show you guys right now. So basically this is what I have. So I got this idea because I watch Colleen Diaz and she does this with her vlogs now, and so I really like that, but I am not trying to copy her, so instead I decided to use this, which is a lot more simpler. Like this is like I love hers. It's very funky, you know, very like just is very her, but I feel like for me I'm also a lot more simplistic and modern, as well as like a little bit funky. So this is what I have for now. I don't know what I should add yet, but that's basically what it looks like right now. But yeah, so other than that, I already ate dinner and I already going out for a walk. I have to make a TikTok. I'll show you guys the outfits that I have planned. We have to get that done, so let's get that done. I feel like I need to catch you guys up on some things. So first things first, my fridge broke. My skincare fridge, I don't know what happened to it. It just died on me because I had switched it off because I was going to Texas for spring break, and obviously I didn't really have to be on through the entire time that I was gonna be out of town. So then when I came back, it just wasn't working as I was trying to like turn it on and everything. I did say I want to get another one, but I'm not sure yet anymore because I've watched videos on girls getting skincare fridges after they keep on breaking, and obviously, you know, so it's nothing that like I have to keep on spending my money on a skincare fridge if they're all gonna keep on breaking. So I think I am probably just not gonna do that no more. But yeah, so that's one thing. Another thing, I got a squishmallow. She's right there, just chilling. It's a little cactus and it's cute. I got it at Costco when I was in Texas. My grandma got it for me.
I don't wanna waste your time, and you don't wanna waste mine. Using words that I can't describe, using words to escape having a hard time loving, but I'll give you my 100. You won't need attention.
Alright guys, so really quick before I lose the sunlight because it is going down. So I do have 2 spring outfits planned already. So I am going to be showing the gray maxi dress, and I'm going to be pairing it with this purple sweater thing, and then I'm going to be wearing or showing it with the sneakers, so hopefully like people can get the gist of it. And then I'm just gonna pair it with my earrings that I'm already wearing, the regular white gold hoops that I wear every day. You guys already know that. And then with the white purse, I would say, or maybe even with the pearl necklace, but I feel like the pearl necklace with the sweater kind of throws it off. I don't know, it might just be me. I don't know, I might actually do this. Okay, so that's one outfit. For the next outfit, these 2 tops with these jeans, and then my pearl necklace, and then with this purse that I recently got, and then with my Jordan 1 Vivid Greens. So possibly, I mean, it's a decent outfit. It might be too much with the purse and the necklace. I might just throw on this purse. I have an exam today. I have an exam in the morning for my morning class. I'm pretty sure I have a quiz, my accounting class, and that's fine. It's just like 10. I know it's 10 points because each of their quizzes is 10 points for that. Let me just finish getting ready and I'll show you guys my outfit and everything like that. So this is my outfit for today. Like I said, very simple because I'm gonna be taking quizzes and an exam today, so none of the news feel like dressing up. But I'm just wearing this Nike zip up, this red undershirt, gray sweats, and then my Uggs. I've been doing like a half face of makeup. You can't really see because the beauty filter is on right now. Basically, I just do my eyes and then I just add like either lip gloss or maybe lip mask on. And I've been starting this new habit where I actually drink warm water in the mornings to help boost my metabolism. And I also read that it helps to regulate the body temperature, which I feel like I need because my body tends to get really cold quickly. Like my hands are always cold and everything. So I hope that that is working for my internal body temperature. But yeah, so I'm just going to go down, drink my water, and then I'll see you guys when I get to school or something. For spring specifically, but I haven't shown you guys, so I just wanted to show you guys right now. So I'm just gonna do that real quickly. By the way, the food was really good. I highly recommend. It was spicy, but I like it spicy, so if you have like a higher spice tolerance or whatever, you can put less cayenne pepper. I added more than what the recipe added. Make sure you taste it because for some reason the lady, or like the video, the girl, she didn't add any salt, which I thought was kind of weird. So it was a good thing that I tasted it before I like poured it into the mixture of the potatoes and egg, which is why I added salt to the thing. But it was good in general. It was really good. My family really liked it. But yeah, so let's just get into the haul real quick. First things first, I got this cute little bag. So this is a purse. It's so cute. The next thing I got was this cute little lace top. I've been wanting a lot of lace tops lately for spring. And then the next item that I got is this black bodysuit. This I got in a medium also, but the sleeve parts run a bit tight. So if you have chubby arms like me, I would definitely go a size up. So I have one of these in black and I really like it. So I wanted to get another one in white, and so I got this one. And I was so excited to get like the Skims dupes for the shirts. I just got one. It's like a swimsuit material, but if you do want a more comfortable and a more looser fit, definitely do go up a size more. And then I got these PJ shorts. I got these in a size large. I got this dress. Every time I try this dress on, it's like always so hard to try it on because of like the zigzag straps. It's a gray long sleeve maxi dress. It's supposed to be known as like the Skims dupes. I'll do a quick try on haul for you guys. So this is the black shirt. So as you can see, it's very form-fitting. So this is the white long sleeve zip-up shirt. Alright guys, so this is the bodysuit that I was showing you guys. As you can see, it is a lot tighter on the arms, but I feel like that's because I have bigger arms. I'm not going to try on this one because it is see-through. They actually do fit pretty good. But yeah, I really do like these. Alright guys, so this is the dress to show you guys a better view on how it looks. Very cute summer dress. I feel like I really like maxi dresses. They're obviously very in now for the summer and spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell notifications so you know anytime that I upload. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Depop, and I'll see you guys next week.